how to use the MACD strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the MACD strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on one of the most popular indicators, the MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD indicator shows the relationship between two moving averages of the asset price. It consists of two lines, the MACD line and the signal line, as well as a histogram that displays the difference between these lines. If the histogram is above the zero line and the peaks of the histogram bars are consistently rising, then there is an uptrend in the market. If the histogram is below the zero line, the trend is downward. How to set up the MACD indicator for quick trades from 5 seconds. Set the fast line to 5 periods, the slow line to 13 periods, and the signal line to 4 periods. Watch for MACD and signal line crossover signals. If the MACD crosses the signal line from bottom to top, it is a signal to open an up trade, while crossing from top to bottom can serve as a signal to open a down trade. Use the MACD in combination with other indicators and market analysis to get better signals. Happy trading on Pocket Option.